Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's we'll try to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the Realme X1 Max device after the recent software update. Yes, so both phones they did undergo the recent software update. Let's see after the software update what is the default touch sampling rate comparison between both phones. So the company did claim the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the 180 Hz touch sampling rate and the Realme X1 Max has got the 360 Hz touch sampling rate. That is what the Realme said. Let's see what actually the touch sampling rate in this phone. The reason why I'm doing this kind of video is because I am getting plenty of message on the Realme X1 Max, as you can see. So is there any kind of improvement in the touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max after the update or not? Not only in the Realme X1 Max, even I'm getting plenty of messages on the OnePlus Nord 2 device as well. The reason is because I'm getting plenty of messages that by default these companies both they are decreasing the touch sampling rate number. Yes. So right now with the OnePlus Nord 2 we're getting 180 Hz, but by default you are getting 120 Hz touch sampling rate in the OnePlus Nord 2. And the Realme X1 Max, so 360 Hz is the touch sampling rate, but by default it's enabled with the 240 Hz touch sampling rate. That's the kind of thing we need to deal with right now. Let's check what is the thing after the software update. That's what I'm going to exactly show you between both phones right now. This application has been added into the game space in both phones. Yes. So right now you'll be able to see, even I'm trying to use the high refresh rate as well in both phones to the maximum refresh rate. Right now I'm getting the number is about close to 360 Hz. As you can see friends, 360 Hz I'm getting, but 360 minus 120 you should do. So you'll get a 240 Hz refresh rate, 240 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme X1 Max. So whereas the OnePlus Nord 2, we are getting the score about close to 210. As you can see friends, 210 we are getting the score, as you can clearly see. And 210 minus 90 Hz refresh rate, you will get the 120 Hz touch sampling rate. So this is what we are getting out of the box. I think I'm not sure how many users are facing this kind of thing, but few of the Realme X1 Max users, whoever are getting this kind of default 240 Hz touch sampling rate, they are actually messaging me a lot of messages today after this recent update. That's the reason I thought of making side-by-side comparison between both phones. So even after the update, so right now the default touch sampling rate is limited to 120 Hz and it's limited to 240 Hz between both phones. So you may not be noticing much difference, but when you notice this both phones, you will definitely understand what's the difference between touch sampling rate. Yes. So when you try to use the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see right now, is the lines between both phones. That number of touch inputs were slightly detecting. As you can see friends right now. So this application is mainly useful to detect the number of touch inputs, and right now you can see the difference how it is. So at least the 240 Hz touch sampling rate is quite good in the Realme X1 Max, but 120 Hz touch sampling rate is quite disappointing for this kind of price what we're paying. So if you ask me, will it affect any kind of thing? I'm not sure whether it will be impacting anything or not, but for this kind of price range what you're paying for 30,000 rupees for the OnePlus Nord 2, at least it should be set as a default to 180 Hz touch sampling rate. So there should be some kind of option for the users to decide whether they want to use it or not. I do know the battery, I'm not sure whether it will be draining or not, but still it should be us to decide whether we should use the highest touch sampling rate or the lowest touch sampling rate. By default it should not set like that. So if you ask me, only these phones are behaving like that. Yes, I think these phones only at this point. The Poco F3 GT, it was detecting 480 Hz touch sampling rate, no problem. iQOO 7 also detecting the 300 Hz touch sampling rate, no issues. Even the OnePlus 8T also detecting 240 Hz touch sampling rate, whatever the OnePlus is claiming. That is what I'm getting exactly same as it is, no issues. Even the old phone, which is the Realme X2 Pro, also exactly showing as it is what the company is saying touch sampling rate in this phone. Yes, 1.5 year old phone. What are the companies saying, we are getting exactly. So right now this is a problem with the default touch sampling rate. So this is a thing you need to deal with friends. So maybe with the next updates they might be able to change it, or I'm not sure exactly about this touch sampling rate. So let me know in the comment section below whether it's bothering you or not, but for me it's not bothering, but I'm making this video only based upon the request and messages I'm getting. A lot of messages on this both phones. That is the reason I thought of making a video and bringing awareness among the people what is happening actually. And if you know another method how to increase the touch sampling rate, I mean how to make it maximum utilization, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to try those kind of tricks, and I'll be able to increase and I'll be able to test it as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.